Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. So I'm back again with another makeup look, which is the wearable daytime makeup look. So this is something that you can wear for daytime parties or just on any random days, just when you want to dress up and doll up. So firstly, I started my makeup with the lip balm. So I'm going to leave all the product details in the description box below, guys. And that's my moisturizer. I have already applied that. That's the Glenmark aloevera gel. So that is the moisturizer that I use on regular basis. And that's the Benefit Professional Primer. Sorry guys, the products are not in focus. But anyway, I'm going to leave all the product details in the description box below. So please do check them out. And I took like enough quantity of primer in my hands. And I'm applying that on all over my face. Then I'm taking my cosmetic wedge or beauty sponge, whatever you call it, and I'm spraying some MAC Fix Plus on that so that it becomes damp. And I'm taking my NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation and I'm dotting that all over my face, and then I'm going to blend that out with the damp beauty sponge. Many people complain that the foundation is turning gray or the foundation is oxidizing. So one of the reasons for that is like one of the reason is that there's a wrong shade match, guys. You have to check properly for the shade when you're buying the foundation, because foundation shade really matters in the overall look. Taking the NARS creamy concealer, and that's in the shade Ginger. I'm applying that under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and on my forehead, and also on my cupid's bow and on my chin. And I'm going to blend that out with the cosmetic wedge again. You can use anything, guys. You can use a cosmetic wedge, a beauty blender, or any foundation brush like a buffer brush, a stippling brush, or a flat foundation brush, anything which you're comfortable with. I personally love like cosmetic wedges or sponges. I'm taking the shade Swiss Chocolate from MAC, that's an eyeshadow, and with the 217 brush from MAC, I'm going to blend that out in my crease in the windshield wiper motions or to and fro motions. And remember guys, when you're using the eyeshadow in the crease, make sure that you don't use like hard hand, just use like a free hand, and you're good to go. Now I'm taking the eyeshadow called Sketch from MAC again, which is a kind of plum kind of shade, a deep plum kind of shade, and I'm blending that out on the outer V and a little bit on the outer part of the crease. Now I'm taking the eyeshadow called Expensive Pink from MAC, and I'm applying that on the lid, and I'm using the fluffy blending brush again, which is from Urban Decay. The brush is from Urban Decay, but you can use any kind of brush. I'm not using flat brush because flat brush actually you get like you pick a lot of product with a flat brush. So I don't want to put like a lot of product on my lid right now. So that's the reason I just took a fluffy brush instead. And I'm taking the Sketch eyeshadow on an angular brush and I'm applying that on the lower part of my lid. I don't know guys, like for some reason I prefer to use shadows like eyeshadows on my lower lash line other than like kajals these days. And now I took my brown gel eyeliner from Kryolan and I'm just lining that on the outer part of my eye with a thin eyeliner brush, and my brushes are from Mesmerize Makeup guys. And you can use any kind of brushes, like not any kind of, actually any brand brushes, so it doesn't need to be like brand specific, so you can use any good brush from any brand. And I took the angular brush again and I'm smudging the liner a bit because I want to give that soft smudgy effect, liner effect. And I'm not doing any wing, I just want to go very neutral with the eye makeup, so I'm not putting any wing. I'm just smudging the brown liner on the outer part. Now I took a brown eyeshadow from MAC and I'm placing that on the gel liner, because as I always tell you, cream and powder are like lock and key. So to set that gel eyeliner in place, I'm applying a powder product on top. That's a powder brown eyeshadow on top. You can use any gel eyeliner guys, like you like from any brand, but remember that it should be like smudgeable. So you can use a kajal, a gel eyeliner, like anything, but remember it should be smudgeable. And for my brows, I'm using the L'Oreal Brow Artist Kit. This is something that I use in every video of mine, and this is my forever favorite product guys, because this eyebrow thing is very suitable to Indian skin tone. So that is why I love this the most. And I'm filling in my brows with an angular brush again. So if you have an angular brush, you are sorted. It's a multi-purpose brush. You can use it for an eyeliner, just smudging your eyeshadow on your lower lash line, and for eyebrows, literally many other things as well. And with a flat eyeshadow brush, I'm mixing the shades Rice Paper and the Antique from MAC, and I'm highlighting under my brows. You can even use your compact powder to highlight under your brows guys. And then I'm applying the loose powder, the Kryolan Loose powder, to set all my base in place. And I'm applying my blush, which is called Peachtwist from MAC, with a blush brush. That's a beautiful peach color. I don't really love the blushes that are in pink color guys. I love every blush that has an orange tint or a peach tint in it. And I'm applying the highlighter from MAC that is soft and gentle with a fluffy blending brush again on the high points of my face. That's on the cheekbone, on the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, forehead, and a little bit on my chin. I prefer fluffy blending brush, but you can use a fan brush or whatever you're comfortable with. But make sure that the brush is fluffy. So when you're applying highlighter, you have to go with a very light hand. So you have to use a very fluffy brush, either as a fan or as a blending one. Now I'm applying my MAC mascara. Some good coats of mascara is something that is very essential for any makeup look. You can also apply false lashes for this look guys, but I'm not really a huge fan of applying false lashes for each and every look, so I'm not preferring it. I just want to go simple with mascara. Now I'm removing the lip balm and I'm applying my lipstick that's from Colorbar, I'm not really sure about the shades, guys, but I'll leave all the shade details, all the product details in the description box below. Do check them out. That's a beautiful pink color and one of my favorite formulation from Colorbar. So the Colorbar matte lipsticks are really affordable and they give like good pigmentation and color payoff, guys. And I'm finishing the makeup look with a MAC Fix Plus. I cannot do without a MAC Fix Plus, guys. So yeah, that's the final look and I hope you like this video. In case if you do so, please don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can get notifications when I upload a new video. And don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms, which I'll be leaving in the description box below. See you soon with another video, guys. Have a great day. Bye.